Hello, today's our topic is Invt CHF100 drives parameter configuration. Let's learn the parameter 0 group, and then after next video is 1 2 3 continuously. So first I run parameter group of 0.00 p 0.002 till 0.17. It's a perfect zero combination group. So start and with this HF100, how to set the parameter, what is the actually defined value, and etc. So this is Invt CHF100 drive. That is the model CHF100 7.5 HP drive. And how to set the parameters, that first parameter group. Today's our video is zero group parameter, so 1 2 3 is in the next video. Let's start parameter 0.p 0.00. enter. In this mode, three functions 0 1 and 2. 0, it's a V by F control. It is suitable for general purpose applications such as pump, fan, etc. 1, it's a sensorless vector control mode. What is the sensorless vector control mode? It is widely used for the application which requires is a high torque at a low speed, high speed accuracy and quicker dynamic response, such as machine tool, injection molding machine, centrifugal machine, wide drawing machine, etc. And the 2 number group of parameter, it's a torque control mode. It is suitable for the application with low accuracy torque control, such as wire drawing. So 0, it's a V by F control, 1, it's a sensorless vector control, and 2, it's a torque control mode in the parameter 0.00. Now my setting is only for 0. It's a V by F control because I use it in a pump. Then after 0.01, it's a parameter group of run command source. How to start the drive? Now it is in 1. It also have a 3 options: 0 1 and 2. Last 2 minimum 0. It's a means keypad control mode. When start the 0, you start the drive with keypad control mode, run to start and stop to reset with one click. Let's see. When it's 0, it start, and now it's stop. But when it's 1, so start or stop command is used for terminal the operation. Include the forward run, reverse run, forward jog, reverse jog. It can be controlled by multifunction input terminal. It can be used for common or S1 S2, which can be used for parameter group of 5.00 in the next video. So it is the run command source. Now that is the one, so I not used from the keypad. Now 1, it's a terminal control mode which is set for S1 S2 S3 S4 with indicate to common with parameter group of number 5.0123. and 2, it's a communication mode. When your drive is communicate with the PLC or HMI, then run with external source from program logic controller. Now parameter number 0.02, it also have 4 options: 0 1 2 and 3. 0, it's when your frequency, now my frequency is 50 Hz, which is controlled by keypad control mode. You can see I controlled my frequency with keypad up down command. So parameter P0.02 it's now set to 0. That means our frequency is now valid and save when power off. When my drive's power off, this is frequency saved, not reset. When I convert it to 1, valid, don't save value when power off. When it's 0, valid when power off, valid when power on. 2 it's not being used, and 3 is valid during only for drive running. When clear, it's a stop. Users can only adjust reference frequency by up down during the inverter is running. The value up down will be clear when the inverter stop. It can be used 00 machine push button program. It can be used. Now 0.03 is the maximum frequency of your motor. Then 50 Hz. 0.04 it's a upper frequency limit. 0.05 it's a lower frequency limit. Lower frequency limit should be exceed the upper frequency limit, parameter number 0.04. okay. And 0.06 it's a keypad reference frequency. When frequency A command source is set to be keypad, this parameter is the initial value of inverter reference frequency. Parameter 0.07 it's a frequency A command. This is set to 0. 0 means keypad, and when is set to keypad, then parameter number 0.06 is used. It's a blinking, so I can change. When it's not blink and continuously LED on, then after I can't change. P0.07 it's a main frequency master frequency command. This is our frequency 48.39. we adjust by the keypad. Why? Because parameter group 0.07 is set to 0. When I set to 1, it can be 0.00, and now parameter 0.07 is set to 0. Then you click the button to keypad control to adjust the frequency. When it's 1, and that means analog input 1, analog input 1 and analog input 2 is selected from here. You can see ground, analog input 1, analog input 2, which reference for plus 10 volt. To set the frequency, 3 is a HDI, 4 is a simple PLC, 5 is a multiple speed, it means multi-step speed, 6 it's a PID, and 7 it's a communication. When I communicate from PLC or HMI to run the drive, to run the frequency, to adjust the frequency, so 7. But P0.07 it's now 40 because I can control my frequency from the keypad. Then P0.08 it's a second frequency command. 0.09 is a scale of frequency command B. 0.07 frequency command selection. Option of 4. P0.010 have a 10 options, 0, 1, 2 and 3. 0 that means A, frequency command A, that means AI1. 1 it means frequency command B, that means AI2. okay. And frequency parameter number 2, that means A plus B. When two analog input 1 and analog input 2 is used, then 2. That means कि both frequency command analog input 1 plus analog input 2 A plus B is also active. Then 3 makes A plus B. That means reference frequency is equal to maximum frequency. Okay. Then 0.11, it's a oscillation time, it's a 10 second. That means our starting frequency is 0.00 and maximum frequency is 50.00. So reached time in a second, 0 to 50 Hz motor speed can be reached at 10 second. When I control to 15, then our motor speed 0 to full in a 15 second, and this is a decelerating time. That means P0.0, P0.12, it's a decelerating time. Decelerating means maximum frequency is a 50 Hz and lower frequency limit is a 0. So 50 Hz to 0 Hz frequency can be reached in a 10 second, and then after motor completely stop. After 10 second motor completely stop. It's according to set our application. When I minimum it's a 0.01 second, 50 Hz to 0 Hz motor can be stopped in a 0.017 maximum. I used now in a 10 second. 0.013 means running direction 0 is equal to forward, it's a reverse, and it's a 4-bit reverse. Okay, and 0.014 it's a 0.80, it's my value carrier frequency dependent on a model. Which is my model, which is my frequency limit? It's depend on model 8.0, it's my carrier frequency. And 0.15 is a 1 AVR function, and 0.16 is a motor parameter auto tuning. It is an important topic. 0 is no action, 1 is a rotating auto tuning, 2 is a static auto tuning of the motor. Motor parameter auto tune, it's a very important program to control the motor. Only keypad can control the auto tune. 0.12 will restore to a 0 automatically when the auto tuning is finished or cancelled. Okay, rotating auto tuning, it's a 1, and that means don't connect any load to the motor when performing auto tune. Ensure 0 motor in a static status. Okay, and last 0.07, it's our parameter group 0 P 0.00 to 0.07, it's a last value. Then 0, that means no action. 1, that means restore to factory setting. 2 is a clear fault records. It's a last, then after automatically P 0.00. It is our parameter group number of 0, that 1 2 3. It could be next video. So guys, तो कैसी लगी आपको वीडियो? INVT CHF100 का हमने पैरामीटर के बारे में देखा कि पैरामीटर ग्रुप 0 के अंदर किस तरह से पैरामीटर ऑटो ट्यून करते हैं, किस तरह कन्फिगरेशन करते हैं, व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ 0 1 2. एंड अगली वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पैरामीटर ग्रुप 1 2 3 के बारे में. देन आफ्टर नेक्स्ट वीडियो 4 और 5, हाउ टू सेट मोटर करंट, मोटर स्पीड, RPM in the next video. So please like, share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.